Hello, my friends. How are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself, Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So, guys, in this fucking video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce organic foods template, fully responsive and totally free of cost. So, friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. And it's in Angular 20. But let me show you the version first as well. See responsiveness 20.0.3, so latest version and fully responsive as well. Sweet price, just brilliant. It work for all the devices. So guys, here's the template and friends. See the top section, beautiful toggle, search, sub menus, mini cart. See guys, the mini card as well. The other beautiful icons and the beautiful content layout. See guys, the beautiful top image and text. See categories, insert carousel. See guys, these are all categories. Best selling products. See friends, beautiful hover effect. Item sale section, combo offers, discount coupon as well. Feature products. See my guys, insert carousel works well. Beautiful form section, more popular product section. See guys, this arrive sections. And guys, also one more thing I must say. Just let me complete this. Our recent blog section, app section, and the footer section. And guys, see, this is the template which I have implemented in Angular 20. All the stuff I have added inside app.html file. And you can also adjust according to your requirement. And guys, also I have placed all the CSS and all the JS inside the index.html file, but you can also place inside angular.json file as well. And also, friends, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. In this page, friend, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also on my blog section, you will get all the free things for Angular, C, for React.js, Vue, Laravel, WordPress, Bootstrap 5, and free thousands of dashboard. And guys, also I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis. And guys, also after it, I will come with more free stuff. And friends, please share this video, like this video, and comment on this video as well. These are the dashboards, and all are free of cost. Let me open one. See friends. You'll get working video as well inside or my post as well, like this. Back to dashboard, sorry, e-commerce template. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.